before my set.
This is me before my set. This is me before my set. This is me one day at Rasma before the show. Me before a gig. Say hi.
This is me after a set with Chris Staggs.
I recorded it.
After the show. This is me after our set. Fuck you again. This is me. I can't breathe.
What happened?
I want to